Key Secured Credit Card Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. The Key Secured Credit Card, issued by KeyBank, is designed for individuals with limited or damaged credit history looking to rebuild their creditworthiness. Its core feature is a secured line of credit, meaning your credit limit is determined by the cash deposit you provide, typically ranging from $300 to $1,000. This deposit serves as collateral, mitigating the risk for the issuer and allowing individuals with low credit scores to be approved. The card reports your payment activity to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is essential for credit building. A significant strength is its straightforward application process. Approval rates are generally high for those who meet the minimum requirements and can provide the necessary deposit. The absence of an annual fee is another noteworthy advantage, making it a cost-effective option compared to some other secured cards. KeyBank also provides online and mobile banking access, enabling convenient account management and payment options. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations. The card's interest rate, or APR, is typically on the higher end, reflecting the increased risk associated with secured credit cards. Therefore, carrying a balance is strongly discouraged. Always aim to pay your balance in full each month. Another potential downside is the lack of rewards programs or perks often found on unsecured credit cards, which are common for secured cards. Who is this card for? It's ideal for credit beginners with no prior credit history or those recovering from past credit missteps, such as bankruptcies or defaults. It's also suitable for individuals who have been denied unsecured credit cards due to their low credit scores. If you're disciplined with your spending and committed to making on-time payments, this card can be a valuable tool for establishing or rebuilding credit. Conversely, if you tend to overspend or struggle with debt management, a secured card, despite its purpose, could worsen your financial situation. In conclusion, the Key Secured Credit Card is a functional tool to establish or rebuild credit, but its high APR and lack of rewards highlight the importance of responsible usage and financial discipline. Consider your spending habits and credit goals before applying, and always prioritize paying your balance in full each month to maximize its benefits and avoid unnecessary interest charges.